When people talk about the future of technology, they picture robots, artificial intelligence, and smart factories. But behind the scenes, there's a company making the future possible, one factory at a time. Today, let's talk about Rockwell Automation, a global leader in industrial automation, helping companies modernize, cut costs, and boost productivity. Manufacturing is changing fast. Factories are getting smarter with machines that can talk to each other, adjust in real time, and even predict when something will break down. This isn't sci-fi or anything, it's happening right now. And it's called industrial automation. Industrial automation lets everything from car plants to food processors run faster, safer, and more efficiently. And with labor shortages and global supply chain challenges, more companies are investing in automation than ever before. Rockwell Automation is in the heart of that transformation. So check out the numbers. The market cap's around $33 billion as of May 2025. Stock price around $285 a share. 2024 revenue over $9 billion. It's up 8% from the year before. Net income $1.1 billion in 2024. Dividend yield 1.7% with a long track record of annual increases. Rockwell's technology powers assembly lines, robotics, and digital control systems in thousands of factories worldwide. They're not just selling hardware, they offer software, cloud solutions, and artificial intelligence that help factories run smarter. And here's what sets Rockwell apart: global reach. Customers in over 100 countries with a strong presence in North America, Europe, and Asia. Recurring revenue. Nearly 40% of their sales comes from software and services, providing steady income even in tough times. Valuation. Rockwell trades at a price-to-earnings ratio of about 24, lower than many high-flying tech stocks, but with real profits and a solid balance sheet. And while flashy robotics companies get the headlines, Rockwell solutions are already running the world's most advanced factories. Now, the automation trend is just getting started. Analysts expect global spending on industrial automations to grow by double digits for years to come. But there are risks. If the economy slows, manufacturers might delay automation projects. Competition is fierce, with rivals like Siemens and ABB always pushing for market share. Still, with a strong balance sheet, growing recurring revenue, and a leadership position in a booming industry, Rockwell Automation offers a rare mix of stability and growth. Rockwell's automation isn't just keeping up with the future, they're building it one smart factory at a time. If you're fascinated by the companies quietly shaping the backbone of modern industry, this is one to keep on your radar. Want more in-depth breakdowns and exclusive research? Definitely give us a follow, but also join our Stockshares community. Just hit the link in our bio. You'll get access to the latest insights, connect with other curious investors across the world. And remember, this video is for informational purposes only. It's not financial advice. Always dig deeper and make decisions that fit your own investment goals.